reste-t-il de nos amours? Que reste-t-il de ces beaux jours? Une photo, vieille photo de ma jeunesse. Que reste-t-il?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This look I had originally done around Easter and I was supposed to be a bunny, but I didn't have the ears, so I ended up being a cat instead. So I figured Halloween's around the corner, so better late than never. Using NYX Cosmetics Retractable Lip Liner, I'm going to map out the placement of where I want certain features. For my eyes, I bring the shape over the top of my brows, bring it down on the sides of the bridge of my nose, and curve the shape at my temples. I'm going to start the muzzle where my nose creases and curve it down the sides of my face. I'm going to mix Mehron Paradise paint in black and white to get my base shade, avoiding the areas I blocked out. The paint was streaking, so I added Nye Clown White cream face paint to the mix. As you can see, it's going on a lot smoother. I'm now going to prep my eyes with Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Using the Clown White cream paint from earlier, I'm going to paint around my eye area. Taking a beauty blender sponge, I'm going to blend the color towards the center. With Kiss Professional Pro Touch Setting Powder, I'm going to set my face. And using Clown White again, I'm going to fill in my muzzle. For my eyes, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'll be starting off with this pink shade, putting it in my crease and blending it all the way up to my brow. Taking this purple shade, I'm going to place the color in my crease and blend it into the pink until it transitions well. To cut my crease, I'll be using Kat Von D's Lock-It Concealer in the shade Whiteout. I'm going to really exaggerate the crease just so that my eyes will look bigger. Taking this rose gold shade, I'm going to pack it on to the center of my lid all the way out to my outer V. Next, I'll be using the Festival palette from Juvia's Place. With the shade Uli, I'm going to place it on the inner third of my lid. For my eyeliner, I'll be using NYX Cosmetics Vinyl Liquid Liner. Unlike the matte eyeliner I normally use, this eyeliner is shiny. I'm just going to go ahead and wing it. And I'll bring down a curved line under my lower lash line and connect it to the wing and fill it in. If you want a more detailed step-by-step, I do have a tutorial on that I'll link in the description. Next, I'm going to apply Wet n Wild's Liquid Catsuit Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Cosmic Teal to my eyeliner to give it a nice iridescent shiny effect. Off screen, I drew in some bottom lashes as well. With NYX White Liquid Eyeliner, I'm going to apply some white dashes to the cut of my crease. I'm taking the Nye Clown White again and using it as you would a concealer and highlighting my face. For my blush, I'll be using the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2 from Juvia's Place in the shades Tao and Lena and applying it to my cheeks. Now on to the eyebrows. To begin, I use hair-like brush strokes with the Precision Eyeliner brush. I'm using the black paint from earlier. Then with an angled brush and very little product, I define the brow. I forgot to show the product, but I'm using the Morphe 35K palette to further define my eyebrow. Keep using hair-like brush strokes to fill in the rest. Using the NYX White liner, I'm going to do hair-like brush strokes with this as well, just to give my brows more definition and make it look more furry. Switching back to the Clown White cream paint, I'm going to make hair-like strokes around my eyes with the precision liner brush. And then add a contrasting highlight with the NYX White liquid liner. Also, depending on how furry you want to be, you can do this method around the nose and the mouth. Now I'll be mixing Mehron Paradise paint in dark pink and white and using it to fill in my nose. Taking the Clown White, I'm going to begin painting in a partial cat body just so the look is more cohesive. Don't forget to set the paint with a setting powder because it is cream based, so it will move if you don't set it. Now I'll just fill in the sides with the black and white mix to make gray. Now I'm just going to highlight using the shade Nebula from AEVA Beauty, which is a very nice pretty gold metallic highlight. I'm now going to line my top lip using NYX Retractable Lip Liner in the shade Dark Red. Using the Kat Von D concealer again, I'm just going to use it as a base and fill in my bottom lip. Using Lick Lips matte lip paint in the shade Crush, I'm going to fill in my bottom and my top lip. I'm going to go in with the lip liner again just to clean up the edges. I blended in a tiny bit of the concealer with my lips just to give it an ombre effect. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw a line down the center. Now I'm going to add some sparkle with NYX Face and Body Glitter in the shade Rose. The adhesive I used for this is the Too Faced Glitter Glue. I'm going to wear House of Lashes Faux Mink in the style POSH NOIR. And now the look is finished. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you like this tutorial and want to see more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, if you're not already, make sure to follow me on IG at O'Malley. Until next time, Malycats.